Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one, a plant. Do you know what a plant is? Number two, to correct. Let's do it. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The plant is green. The plant is green. Plant. A plant is a small, living thing. People keep and they give water to the plants. Now we can make a flashcard for plant. A flower is a plant. All of the little living things we call plants. Please make a card like this. Write plant up here in the top left corner, P-L-A-N-T. Down here, N1, V1. N1 we are learning now. Noun, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 134 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Plant. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer studies every day. Jennifer studies every day. Studies. She uses books and pens to learn new things. Now we can make a flashcard for study. Please repeat, I study every day. But this ends in Y. For Bob and Jennifer, we change it to IES. And for yesterday, please make a card like this. Write to study up in the left corner. The code, V1 and 4. V1 means verb, level 1. And over here the number, 61 out of 82. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Study. I study every day. I study English every day. Also correct. Game over. There is a plant on the table. And what are you doing now? I am studying. Correct. And if you're high level, number one, helicopter. Very good. Number two, like this, measuring cup. Number two, to prevent something from happening. Similar to stop. please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.